If you've been following me on my stories, you know that this year I have been on a bread kick since the beginning of January. And you guys, I am loving it. So I started out making a simple sandwich bread. Then I moved to a fabulous focaccia bread. And now today I'm going to show you this delicious 3-ingredient artisan bread. You guys, it really is so easy to make your own fabulous bread right at home in your own kitchen. Let me show you how. We'll begin by adding warm water to a bowl. The temperature of the water should be right at 110 degrees. Now we're going to add some salt and some active dry yeast. I'll have the ingredient measurements below. We're going to give that a mix. Now add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and give your mixture a mix. You'll notice a dough ball will begin to form. Use your hands to complete this as well. And once the dough ball forms, go in with the spatula to bring it all together. Your dough should be very sticky and a little bit messy. Now you're going to cover your dough, and over the next 2 hours, every 30 minutes, we're going to come back and do a series of stretch and folds. So we do that every 30 minutes. Just turn your dough, give it a stretch, fold and tuck it under, then turn again and do the same thing. Stretch it out, fold and tuck it under. We'll cover it and then come back in another 30 minutes. Again, we'll do this for a total of 2 hours. Oh, and you're going to want to wet your hands with a little bit of water each time you stretch and fold. To bake, we're going to preheat an oven at 420 degrees, and we're going to place our empty Dutch oven inside to preheat along with it. When it's ready, carefully remove it, and we're going to dust the bottom with a little bit of flour. Now we're going to place our dough in. Don't worry about shaping it or anything. We'll just place it in, and then we're going to get our scissors and snip it at the top. Now I'm going to dust it with a little bit of flour and place it in the oven for 35 minutes with the lid on. Then remove the lid, bake for another 10 to 15 minutes or until it's golden brown, just like this. Do y'all see that? Allow your bread to cool before slicing, and you guys, you have some wonderful, delicious, homemade artisan bread. I promise this is the absolute best, and if you are new to baking, then this is just going to make you so excited and so happy like it made me. I love making a fresh, homemade bread, and there's nothing like it. No bread in the store compares to homemade. I hope you guys decide to give this recipe a try.